Good evening from the Arizona desert. My name is Tom and I'm out here in Phoenix, Arizona, and this is the nightly DoorDash numbers from the desert. Well, as you can see, I have a white screen. I'm not in nighttime mode, and that's because yesterday I only worked a half a day. As you can see by the total, 96.96. I ended around 11:37, and I just wasn't feeling it yesterday. My body was kind of going for a little loop as far as my stomach, and must have been something that I ate the night prior to. But I just found myself using the restroom a lot and thought maybe I should just take the day off. There's other things that I can work on. I've got multiple balls up in the air right now. I got YouTube going on. I've got configuration of a mobile office going on. I've got family life going on. I've got Valentine's coming down the pike. So I just said, you know what? There's no need to push it. I've told you numerous times throughout the videos, I'm very aware of where I'm at with my body. If I'm exhausted or not feeling well, I won't hesitate to call it, throw in the towel. And yeah, there's ramifications from that. You lose momentum. It's difficult to get off the couch if you don't have a strong enough why. You know, other things entice you, being around family, things on TV, projects that you see around the house, etc., etc. But I just, like I said, I just did not feel it. So I called it yesterday. So I won't be able to cash out because we did that after 12:30 in the morning. So those funds will roll over to the next day, and I'll cash out at the end of that day. And then Saturday I won't be cashing out because we roll that into Sunday. So let's take a look at where we're at. This is actually my second time trying to create this video, because the last one I finished the video at 2 minutes and 59 seconds. And so, yes, I'm stalling because I don't have a half a day and I don't have a full experience to share with you. But if you finish under 3 minutes, YouTube turns it into a short, and I don't want it to be a short. So let's go take a look at what we actually did. We did a total of 14 deliveries, and started at 6:07 in the morning and ended at 11:37. Let's go take a look at our ratings real quick. Give me 1 second. Going into the ratings. Currently, we're at an 83 acceptance rate, 100% completion, 100% on time, 5.0 customer rating, 1074 for 30 days, and 48,090 deliveries for lifetime deliveries. So with that, I'm looking forward to working tomorrow. I'm looking forward to trying to put a little pep in my step. I'm not sure if DoorDash is going to punish me for not coming out and working the full entire time that I did the shift. I know as a dispatcher, if I had somebody call off, I'd give somebody some grace, and you'd think that there would be some grace with 48,000 deliveries, but it's a computer. It doesn't have any emotions. It's just whatever's programmed into its logic. So we'll see tomorrow as to whether or not we'll be able to produce over 360. Remember, our minimum goal is 270. We'll just monitor the situation and log that information so that we can do some analysis later. With that, I hope that you guys had a great night. I hope that you made as much money as possible. I hope you're using that money wisely to get out of debt and to free up your time. And with that, I will talk to you tomorrow. Have a great day.